Hey, what's up guys, it's me again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this wireless headset on Amazon. So I basically thought what $20 can get you on Amazon for wireless headsets. I know that we have costly options like AirPods, Beats and extra, but I think that this should be a pretty fun test. So there's nothing much for a box overview. It just says audio format is MP3. It supports a TF card, so a memory card, which is pretty weird since why should you have a memory card inside your headset? I'm not sure. So let's go right ahead and open the box itself. And voila. So it is folded up like the sound core or Beats basically, but so for what's inside the box is basically the charging cable. It is a type A for like the old Android phones, and the latest Huawei media pad, right? So it's the same thing. It also comes with drones, and it was basically the type C of the olden days. I do not know why they included that with this model of earphones. Since there is aux cable, I think that we would be able to use this as a wired headphones, given the fact that if you still have your phone that has a headphone jack. So let's quickly go ahead and see what is in, how the headphones are. So first of all, you have the cushions, which are pretty soft, and you have many buttons here, which feels pretty cheap, but given the price, I think it's okay for a headset to have that. And the ports that are included is the memory card port. So what I think it can do is that if you have a memory card with songs in it, you can directly load it in, then you can listen through it without any phone or any other source of playing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, and thanks for watching. For more questions on tech, you can text me or write on the comment section below. Of course, you should subscribe to the channel for regular updates on how-to tutorials and latest tech unboxings. Thanks for watching.